Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9828A. Only 8,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior, rear seats recline for greater comfort, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package includes rear load leveling suspension, power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover, hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure, additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's material. Mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6 liter V6, 293 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and you get only 8,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.